All right, you guys, what we have here is sort of a Bitza Mini. This is a 1989, but it's got a lot of retro, classic, cool stuff on it. We've been building this along with our friend Rob Carlos here. And what we just did was we pulled the 998 motor out and we put in a fire-breathing 1310. You want to see this candy?
Hey, want some candy? We have all different flavors. Hop in the back.
Come on over here and look at this new motor and gearbox we put in here. This is pretty cool because this car has really transformed. I would really like for you guys to go look at some of the videos. We've done 2 or 3 videos on this car in the past, and you can see how it has evolved. And we have created something super cool. I know you guys all want to do this to your minis. I mean, look how cool this thing is, right? Maybe we could put the link down below of those other 2 videos. That would be really cool, and go check them out so you can see where it started and where it is today. So what did we do most recently? Well, we pulled the little Mini 1000 motor out and we put in a fire-breathing 1310, new pistons, main bearings, rod bearings. We did a new gearbox with a Jet Motors Ultimate final drive. Now that is a cross pin diff with a 310 final. And we also did an ultralight flywheel backplate and diaphragm. We use an orange diaphragm on a standard disc. The straight cut drops sound incredible. I mean, I love the sound of it. And we did some 1.5 roller rockers, big valve ported cylinder head, single inch and 3/4 HIF carb. That is the Jet Master Kit. We did a really unique exhaust. It's called an RCM by Manifold. And what does RCM stand for? Reverse Cone Megaphone. So it's sort of like a tune pipe on a 2-stroke. It sort of scavenges the center 2 cylinders, 2 and 3. It sounds really cool. I'll play the notes for you here in a little bit. Anyway, this thing is a little rocket ship. It is all brand new, and I am really excited to go for a ride. Our friend Rob is here to pick this thing up today, and I'm going to take him for his very first ride in this car. Are you ready for this, Rob?
I am.
Get over here. Let's go for a ride. All right, come on,
All right,
Rob.
let's go.
Let's go for a ride in your Hot Rod Mini. All right, first off, what do you think of these seats?
Pretty amazing.
So these are really kind of an old school seat. This is a Corbeau Classic Bucket, which is no longer available. Corbeau's not selling these anymore. So if you've got a set of Corbeau Classic Buckets, you might want to hang on to them or command a higher price because they're no longer available. All right, you ready for this?
Let's do it.
Okay. Ooh. Now we've got straight cut drop gears in this thing, and they kind of clack. You hear a little bit of clack. Now watch what happens when I push the clutch in. It's subtle. Hear it?
Yeah.
You'll definitely hear them when we start rolling, which is super cool. All right, I like this Motolita steering wheel.
Yeah.
I didn't put my seatbelt on, and you didn't either because it rubs on the mic. So I told him not to. So don't get on his case. I said don't. You hear those straight cuts?
I hear it. Oh, sounds so good.
It's certainly not the 1000, is it?
It's not the 1000. This is so rad.
This little car, you're going to have so much fun with this, Rob. I love the style and taste that you've done. Now, you're a designer, aren't you?
Yes.
I love working with designers. I've said this in the past. I guess I'm a designer, right? I design cars.
Totally.
So what I love that you've done is you've actually taken our advice on a lot of things, and you've done a lot of things on your own, which is really great. These mirror brackets, super cool. The choice on the black grille, I wasn't for that, but you said, no, I want the black grille. And I gotta say, buddy, you hit it out of the park. That was the perfect choice for this car.
I'm a little stubborn.
Black girls.
Bye, Napoleon. See ya.
LaFonda is the best thing that has ever happened to me. I'm 100% positive that she's my soulmate.
Don't always work on every car, but that grille looks great.
Sweet.
The wheel and tire combination with the Group 2s, the deluxe trim, these classic buckets, the Motolita steering wheel, the fire-breathing 1380 with straight cut drop gears. I mean, you got a good Mini here, buddy.
Excited.
So you've also got on this the molten high-lows, or the molten smoother rides, rubber cones. You've got the high-lows and the adjustable lower control arms, the adjustable tie rods, the Cooper S disc brakes, super fins on the rear, and this killer RCM exhaust.
See you there.
Yeah. This car.
A little bit of an issue.
This car scoots, doesn't it?
Oh, it's nice.
You're gonna have a fun drive home, aren't you?
Oh, God.
Wow.
Oh, it's so good.
I'm impressed. Those Yokohama AO32 tires hook up.
Sticky.
Very sticky. Those straight cut drops are not as loud as I thought they'd be.
Oh, they're pretty mild, actually.
They're very mild, but still it has that awesome whine.
Oh, I love it. There it is.
The intake noise is awesome. I mean, it is kind of loud when you're on it, but when you're just kind of floating on the throttle, it's not bad at all.
No, not at all.
So sitting on the freeway, cruising at 60, 70, it's going to be just fine. Awesome. All right.
Amazing.
Well,
So good.
there was Rob's first ride. There was your ride in his new Hot Rod Mini Cooper. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Did you enjoy that?
That was so good.
Right on, brother. You're looking forward to
Oh,
the drive
dude,
up?
dude, Kool-Aid smiles right now. I'm
All
so
right.
ready.
We'll see you on the next one. Bye, you guys. There.
Taking the long way home today.